go back inside now.
It's about right?
So we are in the car now, and we are on our way to Voodoo Doughnut. I'm super excited because I have actually seen, oh, my hair got wet. I've actually seen one of my ex-coworkers. Her name is also Daisy, and yeah, she's been posting it on her Snap, and I am really dying to try it now. So we are on our way to go do that now. Right now, currently, it is raining though. It's supposedly gonna stop within the hour, hopefully. But hopefully, we actually get to go to a trail or a park or somewhere. But yeah, I'm excited. We're trying to do a little bit more things outside of the house because we want to be stuck at home all the time. You know, we're doing what we can. So yes, this is the rain. My napkin. It's not too bad right now, but you know, once you pick up speed, it seems worse. So we are gonna go ahead and make our drive, and then we'll be sharing with you in a little bit. As you can see, the sun is out, but I gotta say that's Houston for you. You know, 1 second it's raining, and the next it's not. Because, of course, everybody needs to get out, right? Let me see. People riding bikes, Tony passing lights. What was that about, babe? So it's starting to drizzle, but I had seen that there's like this little graffiti wall right here, which I want to check it out. So let's see. How cool. H-Town, that's awesome. That is pretty cool. Show you guys what we got. So so we got a couple different things just because we've never been here before. So this is called a voodoo doll. Look at him, he's so sad. He's cute, and it looks like he got stabbed in the heart. Aww. And then we have a coconut what is chocolate coconut one, and then this one has bacon, guys. Bacon, I know, is weird. And then that one is called Dirt, which is like, I guess like an Oreo version of it. So these are our donuts. Let's try them out.
Good. First bite of first choice.
Okay.
Don't wear the box so the cookies good.
Okay. I think I want to try.
Don't bite the arm of one of those. Bruh.
Okay. So, okay, I want to try the Voodoo one first, just because he looks so cute. So this one's the... Oh, I put my finger in it. This is the Voodoo one, and it has a raspberry filling on the inside right there. I think I'm gonna bite. Should I bite here? Okay. Okay, here we go.
How is it?
I took a big bite. We didn't even get napkins. Nice. Well, that was really good. And just to let you guys know, I am not a donut person whatsoever. Like, back home when I lived in Laredo, we had 2 places that did donuts, right? I mean, other than like your traditional HEB donuts, things like that. But we had a Krispy Kreme, and then I think as we were leaving, they got a Dunkin' Donuts. Yes, so those were the 2 donut places that were available. Nothing like this, okay? So I grew up thinking I don't like donuts, and I didn't for a really long time, and it's not something I look forward to. But this kind of stuff, you best believe I'm excited to try it. So,
Which is next?
You choose next.
Let's go with Oreo.
You get first bite. That's a big bite. It's good? Okay. This is called dirt, okay? So let's try getting them everywhere. That's good. That's really good. Tony brought coffee.
With Kahlua in it.
No, there's no Kahlua. All right, now we're gonna go with bacon. Or do you want to say? Oh yeah, bacon. Right?
Bacon.
Okay. Now we're gonna try the bacon.
Because that don't have anywhere.
Yeah.
So
I honestly, I panicked with that one, and I just got it to get it. It doesn't look special or anything. So this right here is the bacon. It's not even a donut. I don't even know what this shape is called, but
it's called bacon maple donut, I believe.
Bacon maple donut. Okay, so let's do this. That's interesting.
It's really good.
So it's like really sweet and salty, of course, right, because of the bacon. That's really good. Like, when I first bit into it, the first thought that came to my head was, I think this one's my favorite so far. Right?
Okay.
I think that was my favorite. It's weird because it has bacon on it. All right. Last one. You get first bite of that one. I think I'm ready, like... Let me show. So this one is the...
Coconut chocolate?
Coconut chocolate one. I picked it and I don't even know what it's called. But it has coconut and chocolate in it. And this is what it looks like. So... Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, what's going on here?
Where? Coheres. Oh, we got an extra.
The coconut. Really good.
That is really good, actually. Okay. So, that was Voodoo Doughnut. Really good. Have you guys ever tried them warm? Like, have you tried a donut warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So, I think that's what we're going to do later on. And maybe with some ice cream. I'm getting a little too excited. We'll see if it happens or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and sip my water. We're going to put that away. And we are going to choose where it is that we're going to go next. Because it has now stopped raining. Do you still want to go walk?
That cloud doesn't look good.
That's true. So we're here at Discovery Green, and the rain got worse. I checked right now, again, the weather, and when we were leaving the house earlier, I asked Alexa, Alexa lied to me, okay? I asked Alexa if it was going to be raining, and I asked her for the hour-by-hour forecast, and she only said it was going to be raining up until about, like, at 3 o'clock. It's already about to be 4. You see what I mean? And now it's saying that it's going to keep raining for, like, some time now. So this might not happen today, which is not cool. But, you know, look at these people. Look at these people. Did I get them? Riding their bicycle in the rain. You want to ride a bicycle in the rain with me? Why not?
Lazy or not?
That, and I'm not trying to get sick right now. You know what I mean? Because with everything that's going on, like, that's the last thing I need. So I honestly don't think that this is going to happen. We're probably just going to sit here in the rain for like a little bit, and then figure out what to do if there's anything else to do, which there isn't anything else to do. Hi, I was wondering, do y'all have crawfish right now?
Good question. Oh no, hold on 1 second. The crawfish season ended yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Oh man. Okay, do you guys have shrimp or anything like that?
No, we don't have a kitchen. It's just a food truck here on premise.
Oh, okay.
And cash too. And do that patio?
Okay.
Do you guys have a patio area?
Did you get him?
She didn't even say bye.
Food truck.
Yeah, maybe we can do a food truck. I think we're the only 2 people wearing a mask in here. So we are separated from the crowd, far away from everybody. Nobody is near us. Nobody. And there comes Tony with our food. We are back in the car. We just came back from Little Woodrows right now. We had, it's called a, what was it called? Pizza?
Pizza.
It's on the video. I'll list it on the, I'll list it below what was the name of the item that we had to eat. But it was super good. It was super yummy. I'm actually excited to come back. And I'm kind of sad. Like, we didn't expect to come, honestly. We weren't expecting to be here today. Our plans just really fell through. But that's how we managed to get here. And as you saw in the video, we kept our distance. Like, we're not trying to get sick. We're not trying to catch anything or spread anything for that matter. But I'm excited to come back once all of this is over, probably in a year. So that way we can go ahead and enjoy it, because that's awesome. Like, the way that everything is set up. I wouldn't bring my dogs, to be honest, but I don't know, it'd be cool. As you can see, like, you can bring your dogs in there, and it's a really nice place, and it got better. I want to say that last time we were here, it wasn't as great as it was today, right? Because I think they added like those swinging benches, so I hope I got it on video enough for you all to see that. So yeah, if you're ever in Houston, if you ever want to come check it out, Little Woodrows, awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and put our GPS on and drive home. So we'll see you in a little bit. So Tony and I are finally on our way home now. I just want to say thank you so much for following us along today. I know that our plans change from time to time, and it was something in the beginning, but then it totally turned into something else. But that's completely okay, you know. We made the best that we could out of what we could do, and we ended up eating that little pizza thing, which was really, really good, really tasty. I really liked it at Little Woodrows. Now, I will admit that it's not the same, you know, going out in the middle of all of this right now, but it does make me at least, I don't know, I guess what I'm trying to say is that in the future I look forward to coming back because I know I'll enjoy it more, but I enjoy the little bit of an outing that we had. We were there for maybe like 30-45 minutes, honestly. It was just so that we could go eat something off of the food truck, although we had just bought food, but we wanted to try different things. So at least as far as that's concerned, mission accomplished. We didn't get to walk the park, although it's already not raining anymore, but it's already time to feed our dogs. So that's one of the reasons why we're going home as well and cutting this a little short. But in addition to everything, I do want to say that this is something that I wish to be doing a little bit more for myself and for my channel, of course. And I'm going to be vlogging about it a lot more, showing you little pieces of Houston, because honestly, it's a beautiful city. I love living here, and I want to show you what it's like. And I myself want to learn it too, you know, because still there are so many times where, like, we use our GPS a lot, so there's been so many times where we get rerouted to different places, or it just takes us to different areas, and we come to find out that there's still so much for us to see. So with that said, I wish to be doing more of these videos, so that way we can go ahead and explore the city together, and then just see what there is to see and do. Although right now we're a little limited to what that may be, but whatever we can do, we're gonna go ahead and find out and look into doing it. So yeah, I'm excited to be doing this, and hopefully next weekend we can do it again, if not soon. But I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you all have a good rest of your week. Whatever it is that you do, I hope you make good choices, and I hope that you all stay safe. Don't forget that I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Say bye, babe.
Peace.